It could soon be quicker and easier for those experiencing a mental health emergency to get the help they need.
WEAU's Taj Mahal is in the newsroom with how lawmakers are looking to make a change to one important suicide prevention resource.
Bob, Danielle, 1-800-273-8255. That's the current National Suicide Prevention Lifeline number. It was launched in 2005, and although it's helped millions of Americans since, officials say for some, it can be difficult to remember the number in the middle of a crisis. But that could soon change.
In the United States of America, we have a tragically high number of deaths by suicide each year.
U.S. Senator Tammy Baldwin says last year more than 45,000 Americans committed suicide.
In Wisconsin, it was about 900, and 1 in 5 of those individuals are veterans.
To address this, the Senate Commerce Committee has passed bipartisan legislation introduced by Senator Baldwin. The reform looks to shorten the National Suicide Prevention and Mental Health Crisis Hotline number.
It is a 10-digit number. Very few people memorize numbers like that, but in a time of crisis, we believe that a 3-digit number is going to save lives.
Just as 911 is known for emergencies, 988 would become the number for mental health crisis calls. Local mental health experts agree this change could help save many more lives.
When you are going through a mental health crisis, a lot of times you have a cognitive block and you can't really think clearly. So to have a 3-digit number could really be life-saving for some people.
Community health educator Kelly Lauscher says 9 out of 10 people who get connected to appropriate help when they're feeling suicidal never become suicidal again.
And if they do have suicidal thoughts, they are thinking that that's the only solution at that time. So instead of calling 911 and having law enforcement come or taxing the emergency rooms at local hospitals, sometimes just that caring voice on the other end of the line is something that they need.
Now, if this becomes a reality after dialing 988, there will also be an option for veterans to then press 1 to be routed directly to veteran-specific support. Senator Baldwin says once this legislation becomes law, the Federal Communications Committee will then have the authority to officially change the number. For now in the newsroom, I'm Taj Mahal, WEAU 13 News.